everybody, welcome to my channel. This is my first video on this channel. You clicked on this video because you want to see your girl
in some pain.
I'm going to be trying this waxing heater I got off of Amazon. I'm going to be linking it down below in the description box. Okay, so yeah, we're gonna get started. Enough talking. We'll get right into this video because you want to see me in pain. So let's get into this video. The popsicle sticks comes with the kit, a pre-waxing spray, and the after waxing spray. It comes with 4 bags of beads. It's gonna be very painful.
I haven't waxed all winter, to be honest, okay?
I don't shave in the winter time because like nobody's looking at my legs. So what's the point of shaving? I'm wearing pants all the time. I'm wearing sweatpants, leggings, whatever. So nobody's gonna see my legs except for me.
And my boo-boo.
Yeah, my legs are pretty hairy. I have like little fine, thin hair. I've never had it like grow out this long. Let me show you guys my legs, my beautiful legs. Look at my beautiful hairy legs, like so hairy. I hope that you guys enjoy this video, and if you do, make sure you guys subscribe to my channel and make sure you guys like this video, and we're gonna get right into it. I wore shorts just for this video. So this is the heat warmer, and the beads they're warming up right now. I kind of did put a lot of beads in here. Ooh, it's hot. Still melting. Yeah, so we're gonna start with the pre-waxing spray. So it's pretty hot. We gonna do this because we're not scared. We're not scared. Ooh, that's hot. That's hot. That's hot. God. I'm scared, you guys. I'm really scared. I'm terrified. Oh. Okay, I'm pretty sure it's all dried up already. Okay guys, so we are going to man up and do this, okay? It's gonna be really painful because I didn't shave in months. So we gonna do this. Let me see. Oh my god, it hurts already. Oh my god. Okay. Oh my god. It's like tugging on my hair. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh. Ah, this is gonna be so painful. Oh my god. Okay. Alright, we're gonna do this. I'm not gonna look at it and we're just gonna do it. In 3, 2. I can't do it. Okay. Oh my god, I'm scared. I'm like scared for my life right now. Okay, ready? Oh my gosh, oh my gosh. I gotta do this, I gotta do this, okay. I gotta do it, I gotta do it, I gotta do it. Okay, ready? 3, 2. Oh, okay, ready? Set.
One eternity later.
3, 2, 1. Oh my god. Why does it keep breaking in small pieces? Alright you guys, so we are back. It took me a while to get that off and it hurt really badly, but we're going to do it in sections this time. Hopefully it takes off all the hair because last time I didn't take off the whole thing. So we are going to try it again. Woo. God, I'm scared. Ready, set. Oh my god. It even come off here and it hurts. Ready, set. No, that worked. You can see my skin, like it's different. It's a different color from this one. I don't know if you guys can see the hairs. That's nasty. But anyways, guys, I'm gonna show you guys a before and after picture of what it looks like before and after. This waxing kit actually works, so if you want to actually do it at home, you can do it at home. I'll see you guys in my next video. I post every Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturdays at 7 p.m. so make sure you on my channel. Bye.